and welcome back to my channel. This is Freeform Lifestyle, where I cook dairy and gluten-free meals. So tomorrow I'm out and about, so I need something quick and easy to have for lunch. And I really have been wanting to try this for a long time. So I'm making some wraps, and they are going to be chicken with a barbecue coating. And I'm going to show you how I'm making them. So to make the crunch on the chicken, we are using these, which are Pop Chips. These are gluten-free, popped, not fried, barbecue flavour. I have prepared already some chicken into strips. I've got some egg whites, and then we've got the crushed Pop Chips to do the coating, and then these are going to go in the air fryer. I've seasoned up my chicken. We've got Cajun, smoked paprika, and some all-purpose here. So here we go. Let's get the hands in there. Let's hope it doesn't dye these nails. Okay, and then in the egg, once you've seasoned the chicken, like so. Drip off any excess. And then into these crunchy, yummy barbecue Pop Chips. Oh, that sticks pretty good, doesn't it? There you go, ready for the air fryer. My chicken is now all coated, and I'm going to pop this in the air fryer for about 15 minutes. If you don't have an air fryer, then you can put this in the oven as well. So let's go. The air fryer has just finished. Wow, look at this crispy, crispy chicken. It's going to be so good in a wrap. And here it is on the board. You could just eat it like this, to be honest, with some dip. It would be amazing, or in a salad. But as I said, we're making wraps. I normally use the Warburton's wraps, but I normally go for the seeded ones. Unfortunately, in my supermarket, they only had these, but I'm sure they'll be absolutely fine. I've got some lettuce, some avocado, some sweet corn, some perinaise, and some cheese. So in my wrap, I've got the chicken, lettuce, I've got some perinaise and some sweet corn. My husband is completely stacked up. He's got normal cheddar in his as well, and some avocado. Or actually, I have got a little bit of avocado in mine, but again, IBS doesn't like too much avocado, but I think overall, this looks good. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for my chicken crunch wrap. I'm going to enjoy that tomorrow. It's going to be really tasty, I'm sure. It'd be lovely if you could do it hot, but I need to go out tomorrow, so, you know, food on the go is always good. And when you're dairy and gluten-free, you need to be prepared and have something with you. So if you can hit the like button on this video, it'd be much appreciated. And please subscribe for more videos. See you next time. Bye.